Share. Yo, 0% of you are subscribed. Be sure to click that subscribe button. Enjoy the video. Right, I'll tell my story of how I made the butterfly knife. I'm on Discord. Some guy sends me, says, what kind of knife is this? Help. I click the link. Then I see, oh, it's a karambit. Okay, butterfly knife. It's a butterfly knife. I respond, I say, butterfly knife, but in karambit. You got the model? Nope. I want me to make it. And then I search CSGO butterfly knife model. I can't find it. So I use the Valorant one. Valorant one is just very easily downloadable and it works perfectly with the texture they give. So I download that. I cut out one of the handles and then I tilt it because the model is like a stick, you know. So I cut out one of the handles and turn it here. And the logic is that when you're holding it normally, right, both of the handles are going to be inside the hand. So the logic is that the handle that is facing out will be inside the hand. So what I did, I cut out the handle. I have to remove the colored part inside because of the texture and stuff. So I just go to Photoshop and make one red, make one green. And then I see where's the UV map. I check the UV map. So I shift the UV map to the correct place, like where the texture should be, and then I export and we are done. And I color that part gray in Photoshop. Export that. I'm gonna put a few clips of me playing with the butterfly knife at the end to make the video 8 minutes. Enjoy the video. I threw my knife, unfortunate. Shit. Shit. No. No. I have no idea your Twitch names, your Discord IDs. Oh, he 360'd. Oh, the knife is gone. Thanks a lot for shit, what are they doing? Deposit. But my movement is good. I have no idea how to play this class. But it's a ton of damage though. Oh, that's... I guess you have to like track the hits continuously. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's try it a second time. No, I died.